Alright, this video is going to talk about quiz 8H. And the reason I wanted to talk about this is because that first problem is a little bit tricky. So it wants you to consider a solution of 0.010 molar KH2PO4 and then write a mass balance for this. Okay, so you're going to write a mass balance for both the potassium and the H2PO4. The part that's tricky about this is when this ionizes, this is going to go to K+, which is fine, but this is going to go to H3PO4, and then it's going to go over here to H2PO4, and then it's going to keep going. HPO4, so this is going to be minus, this is going to be 2 minus, and then it's going to go one more time to PO4, 3 minus. So your mass balance for the phosphoric acid here is going to be 0.010 is equal to the concentration of all of those. So H3PO4 plus, and then your charge for the H2 is -1, so you don't have to put anything there. H2PO4 plus, and then here you're going to bring your exponent out in front. 2 times HPO4 minus 2, I'm running out of room, plus, bring this charge out front, 3PO4 minus 3. And that's your mass balance for that one, for the phosphoric acid. For the potassium, it's relatively easy, because you only have the potassium just dissociating, and that's it. But anyway, I wanted to talk about that because it is a little bit tricky, because this species here is included, and if you just look at this, you might not realize that a hydrogen from your water is going to associate with that to make the phosphoric acid. Text or email if you have questions. Okay, so the second question on quiz 8H asks for the charge balance for the aqueous solution that was formed before. So we have our formula here, KH2PO4, and we've already talked about what it dissociates into with the K plus H3PO4, H2PO4 minus, HPO4 2 minus, and PO4 3 minus. And then we have water because it's aqueous solution, so we've got to add in our hydroxide and H+. And so this is what your charge balance is going to look like. It's H plus K plus everything else except H3PO4, because that is neutral. It does not have a charge, therefore it doesn't participate in the charge balance equation. This is the first one that I've seen of the quizzes, and I've gone through them all, that is tricky like this. So pay special attention. Let me know if you have questions.